Time tracking can be a game changer when it comes to improving work estimates, and in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how it can drastically help with your project planning. If you're tired of overestimating or underestimating how long tasks will take, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use time tracking to refine your estimates and get much more accurate results. So here's the problem. Without tracking your time, you're essentially guessing how long a task will take. But with the right time tracking system, you can collect data from past projects, analyze it, and use it to predict how long future tasks will take more accurately. In simple terms, it's all about learning from the past to improve future estimates. Step 1. Start by choosing the right time tracking software. I've tested most of the popular options out there, and if you want to follow along with the software I'll be using today, I've got an exclusive free trial linked in the description below for you. This software tracks everything effortlessly and gives you easy access to detailed reports that will be key to refining your work estimates. Once you have your software set up, start tracking your time on every task, no matter how small. The more data you collect, the better your estimates will be. Don't worry about doing this perfectly. Just focus on being consistent. Record the actual time it takes to complete each task so you can analyze how accurate your initial estimates were. Now, after you've tracked time for a few projects, you'll want to go back and look at your data. Compare the estimated time versus the actual time spent on each task. This is where the real magic happens. Look for patterns. Are you consistently overestimating or underestimating certain tasks? Maybe some tasks take longer than expected because they require more research, or others are quicker than anticipated because of experience. Identifying these trends will allow you to make adjustments moving forward. Use these insights to fine-tune your estimates. For example, if you see that a task consistently takes 30% longer than you originally estimated, adjust your future estimates to account for that extra time. Over time, your estimates will become more reliable, and you'll be able to plan projects with more precision. Additionally, keep in mind that time tracking isn't just about measuring how long you spend on a task, it's also about improving the way you work. If you notice patterns that lead to inefficiencies, like spending too much time on certain activities, this is your chance to improve your workflow. Time tracking also helps you see where you're spending the most time, which gives you an opportunity to delegate tasks or even streamline your processes. As we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Time tracking can dramatically improve your work estimates by providing accurate data to learn from. The more you track, the better you'll understand your work patterns and the more accurate your future estimates will be. So, make sure to start tracking your time consistently, analyze the results, and adjust your estimates based on the insights you gather. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software I used in this tutorial. Just check the link in the description below. You won't want to miss out on that. To recap, start by tracking your time consistently, review your data to spot patterns, and adjust your future estimates based on your findings. Over time, you'll improve your accuracy and become better at planning your work. Thanks for watching.